I think I time traveled again, and it's coming straight at me. Run! I can barely stand. Its wings are like a hurricane. This thing is gigantic. The beak alone is longer than I am tall. If it wanted to, it could pick me up like a cocktail shrimp. It's terrifying. Makes sense that Quetzalcoatlus is named after the Aztec feathered serpent god. You see the skeletons in museums and think, cool bird, but standing here, it's not a bird. It's a flying monster with the height of a giraffe. Quetzalcoatlus was one of the largest flying animals ever, with a 33 to 36 foot wingspan, matching the size of a small plane. When standing on the ground, Quetzalcoatlus reached a height of a giraffe, about 16 to 18 feet. Oh wow, it's walking toward me. Quetzalcoatlus stalked and hunted small animals like a modern-day stork. To get into the air, it didn't just flap its wings. It used a quadrupedal launch, vaulting itself off the ground using all 4 limbs. I've been to the Cretaceous for 5 minutes and already realized that humans are basically just bite-sized snacks in this zip code.